so as promised, it is Stitch Fix day. Again, just a wee little box, not much in here, but you know, summer tends to be a lot smaller because of cute little tops and shorties and stuff. Again, I asked, I'm not sure if you remember my last Stitch Fix when I asked for midi skirts and I got mini skirts. I did ask for additional more midi after I gave some very clear feedback on what a midi versus a mini skirt is. So we'll see what we have in here. All right, got my style card, got my invoice, send back bag, and my bundle. While I'm opening this, I just want to tell you guys who watched my trunk, I ended up keeping the bathing suit. Actually fit really nice. It's really a nice bathing suit. The shorts, I did keep the shorts, and the Fjallraven Konken bag, because I just loved it and I couldn't find it any cheaper. So, and I already had it in a paper shipping, blah, blah, blah. So that's what I kept. As far as my Amazon box, I do really like the pants. The sweater, you know what? If it was winter, I'd probably say I'm keeping the sweater because it is great quality. It is thick. It was warm, very soft, has some cashmere in it, but it's just, no, I can't. Why get something if I'm not going to wear it forever? Or, you know what I'm saying. I am already loving these colors. I don't see any bright red, yellow. These are all good colors for me. I love greens and blues and tans. And so let's get to seeing what this is. Let me get my stuff here. Okay, I'm hoping this is a skirt. Okay, this is definitely a skirt. Okay, really like the skirt. It's a little bit longer than a midi. It looks like a maxi, which is fine. Maxis are fine. It does look a little bit wide in the waist. I did up my sizes from extra small to small. And, you know, sometimes I just can't win because sometimes smalls are too big. Sometimes extra smalls are too tight. So it might be okay. It just looks kind of wide right now. But then I have gotten kind of wide right now. So it might just fit. Okay, it's a really pretty greenish teal color. I like the pattern. It's got a straight front in the waist and a stretchy band in the back. Okay, one of one. Next up, looks like probably, I'm guessing, some shorts. Some Bermuda. Oh, it's a skirt. Okay, it's a real cute Liverpool skirt, like a khaki color, almost a utility skirt. It is pretty cute. It's a 0. I usually wear a 2 in Liverpool, but we will see. Don't mind this. I really don't mind this. For some reason, it's more sporty. So let's just quick see how short it is. Okay, that's not too bad. It's not, I would call it a mini, but you might. Here's my knee. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see when we try it on. Okay. Today was casual day, if you are wondering. I did not have to go into the hospital. I just had to cover some appointments. So yay me. Okay, next up, I like the colors here. This kind of looks like I should be in my 70s and living in Florida. Now, it might look different once I get it on, and, you know, don't like it. Bell sleeves. Bell sleeves. Y'all know I'm not a proponent of bell sleeves, and yet I got bell sleeves. And I normally like paisley, but I normally like paisley, but in this color, it just kind of looks like some furniture or maybe some drapery. I don't know. We'll try it on with that little tan skirt and see what happens. Okay, next up. This is a Daniel Rain top. It's surprisingly not polyester. It's actually a stretch cotton. Already don't really like it. I'm getting really burned out on mixed media because I think personally, nothing against anybody, but I think it's a cheap way to make clothes. Just throw all the leftovers together. It's okay. It's all right. It's an extra small. So it's okay. Okay, next up, really nice top. If it's a top, what is this? Okay. Oh, how cute is this? I'm pretty sure it's pajamas. How cute are these pajamas? Um, yeah, these are almost like a brushed cotton pajama. Super cool for the summer. And this little top. These are by Splendid, so they're going to be pretty expensive. I don't know. We'll look at the prices in a minute. Size small. So yeah, so not really a bad fix. There's a couple items in there I'm like, I don't know, but let's see what our stylist says. This is from Allison. Hello there, Desiree. Welcome back and happy Fix Day. I'm so excited to be styling you once again for your 65th fix. Before we jump in, I want to apologize for missing the mark on your last fix. I had some trouble locating the perfect midi length skirt for you, but I am hopeful that we can turn things around for you today. That's nice. I really appreciate that she acknowledged that, you know, it wasn't perfect. I still go in here? I don't know, my camera's popping things up. I had some trouble. Okay, but I'm hopeful that we turn things around for you today. We are off to a great start with the two skirts you have chosen from the Fix preview, probably a blue market and spruce skirt. I thought it looked familiar. And a fun and flattering, wait, the blue market and spruce skirt has such a fun and flattering fit. There's alliteration for you. Pair this with the Daniel Rain knit top or your favorite tee. Dress up a bit with a Michael Kors knit top and the off-white Liverpool skirt. I would not call that off-white, but what do I know? A great pair of pajamas is the perfect way to start the season, so I added the Splendid Intimates short set. Throw these on after a long day and feel comfortable and cute. XO Allison. Okay, let's see about prices. Most expensive is the pajamas, $78. Next is the off-white skirt by Liverpool for $68. $58 for the Daniel Rain top I don't care for. $54 for the long skirt I kind of like. And $48 for the paisley shirt. So altogether, $306. Buy all 5 discount brings it down to $229 minus my 20, so $209 for all 5 pieces. Okay, guys. Again, I'll get to trying these on at some point this afternoon. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I just got in. I'm all spun. I just drove back from being out all day interpreting, which is always wonderful for me. And it is hot, and my car was hot. My car is black, but I love it. I love being hot, and it's just very refreshing for me, but I get all like hyper. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay, here's the little Daniel Rain top. It is called the Kalina Pleated Shoulder CR ... I don't know what that is. $58. This is like some lace bits up here. Here, does that help? And it's a stretchy, like jersey top. And the lawn guys are outside if you hear that. Yeah, it's an okay top. It's just not, I just don't love it. All right, keep going. So legit, I feel like I need to go to a church potluck with this top on. Yeah, it's very, for me, it's very aging. You know, my mom would probably love it, although she wouldn't dig this color, but no on the top. I do like the pattern, I do like the color, but it's just, no. And then, oh, let me tell you what this is first. This is the Michael Kors Mina Flutter Sleeve top for $48. And then I have on the Liverpool Maggie skirt for $68 in off-white. Here's the skirt. It's not uncomfortably short, but it's not, like, again, not in love with it. It's okay. Don't really have a need for it. It is stretch and it is, you know, pretty snug here, but yeah, I'm gonna say no. Okay, and as suspected, it's just a little too loose on the waist. This is more where I need to have it. And that's quite a bit of fabric back there. Although I do like it, possibly if I can swap this for extra small, it might be doable. I'll show it to you in a minute. This is the Market & Spruce Olivia tiered maxi skirt for $54. It's cute. I think it's adorable. No pockets. Very flowy, very summery, very festival-y. But see how it's kind of dipping down in the back because it's just too big. Yeah, not fitting. Too bad because it's adorable if I pull it way down here, but I think that looks kind of funny. That's too low for a skirt like this. I prefer something at my waist. All right. And here we go. Okay, so I'm not going to rage on the box. I'm not going to try the pajamas on. You guys don't need to know what I sleep in. They are cute. I haven't even tried them on yet, but we'll see. They are $78. Don't really know that I need them. I like them. I want them. They're a cute little summer pajamas. So we'll see. So this box, it's okay. Like I said, I'm not going to rage on it because they're not bad pieces. They're just not necessarily colors in the pieces. I do like the colors, but not necessarily in these types of pieces. Like, you know, I like paisley, but not in cream and white, or off-white and white, as we're calling it, tan and white, whatever. I do like this little skirt. I'm still have it on. I do like the skirt. It's just too big. I'll see if I can swap it. If I can swap it, I will probably keep it. If not, it looks like everything may go back. Unless I keep the pajamas, which will be 58 instead of 78. I don't know. I'm going to try them on and see it. But that is my fix for the month of May. I'm getting my hair did tomorrow, and I can't wait. Of May. So I've got another one. Every 3 months I get my stitch fixes. And, you know, I remember back in the day when I was first getting them, I think Monica mentioned something like Cranky Grandma. If you don't, not sure who Monica is, check out our channel. Both of us have kind of slowed down on our unboxings, but we sort of, you know, started the first time with Stitch Fix before it was really popular. We had the same stylist, and she was just remarking about how much things have changed. And yeah, it's not the same. Just the whole thing. I don't know if we're burned out or it's just, for me, it's the quality of the clothes. They just seem to be getting cheaper from Stitch Fix. Maybe that's me. Maybe I'm just being picky. Maybe it's just like the shine has worn off. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to stop blabbing about this. Hope you guys are good. I don't have anything coming for a while, unless I can order a new subscription box, which I've been kind of looking to do something a little bit different or try a new company. And the one I just signed up for, I got my first box last month, was a wine club. It's called Winc, W-I-N-C. And you get your first box for, I think it's 20% off, maybe 50% off. But after that, it's like $50 a month, and you get between 3 to 4 bottles of wine. My concern is I gotta drink a lot to kind of keep up with 4 bottles a month, and I don't. I mean, if I get through one a month, but I have been, you know, I noticed that, you know, my friends and I get together a lot during the summer, and I'm always got to run to the liquor store to get a bottle of wine. So I think I'll just get this through the summer, and then maybe for winter, put it on hold or stop it or something. I don't know. And I'm blabbing again. Okay, guys, I will talk to you. I will see you. I don't know when. Keep your eyes open.